In this video, I'm going to show you how to show live TV channel news live on your YouTube channel. Whether you're doing a commentary, reaction video, or want to share breaking news with your audience. Now, before we jump into the steps, I want to be clear. You must follow YouTube's copyright rules. Broadcasting live TV content like news channels directly on your channel can result in copyright claims, content ID matches, or even strikes, especially if you're showing full broadcasts without permission. That said, if you're doing a reaction, commentary, or fair use style video, here's how to do it the smart way. First, use screen capture software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs. Connect a streaming device like a Fire Stick, Roku, or set-top box that can play the live news channel and capture its output using an HDMI capture card. Once you've got the live feed in OBS, you can overlay your webcam, add graphics, and stream it all to YouTube as a live stream. Just remember to speak over the content, offer commentary, or keep it short. This helps fall under fair use guidelines, though it's not guaranteed. Alternatively, you can embed clips or short segments of the broadcast in a regular video. Again, only if you're adding value like commentary, criticism, or analysis. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand how to responsibly show live TV news on your YouTube channel, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of content you're planning to create. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest creator tips. See you next time.